And hello everybody. Today on the bench I have got this Microtek sine wave inverter which came in for repair. The customer said it's bypassing mains, but it's not giving any backup when there is a power outage. Let's test it. It's working on mains mode, but what about the backup mode? No AC output, although it's drawing 1.3 amps of no load current. That means AC supply is being generated but not coming out of the AC socket. There are three things that can be the suspect: the PCB connector that connects to the transformer, the changeover relay, or the relay driver circuit. Right away I see something. Let me take out the PCB and show you. The relay is gone. See, there is the burn mark. Let's take it out. I put a little bit of solder before desoldering. These desoldering pumps, sometimes they work great, sometimes not so much. This is the new relay. That looks good. Let's install the PCB back to the inverter. The backup mode is working. and smooth changeover. The job is done. So this inverter is working now. Stay tuned for more videos and thank you for watching.